What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in like a different setting. I hope you guys can hear me. There's a bunch of people around. I am at a hotel in Jamaica, and today I just wanted to film of like what I bring, my travel makeup and all that. So let's get on with the video. So let's get started. I wanted to show you my travel bag. This is the travel bag that I have been using, and I kind of don't want to have a whole bunch of different things. I want it to be kind of minimal, yet you can still make cute looks like this one that I did today. So I'm just going to start pulling it out. So since it's all thrown in here, I'm just going to pull out and describe why I chose it. So the first thing is my Airspun Loose Face Powder, which I absolutely love this loose face powder. It definitely keeps me matte, and since it is a drugstore, I like to bring it because, you know, the plane ride, everything gets tossed and turned and things get a little messy. So that's why I bring this one, because it's like $4 or something versus my higher end one. And then my favorite palette that I've been loving right now, and also because it's so small, my Tarteist Pro To Go palette. It literally is perfect for like everyday, yet you can also do like glam looks. So this is the Tarteist Pro To Go. As you can see in the background, let me just show you my mirror. Palm trees and beach. Like literally doesn't get better than that. My mascara, I have been loving this Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybelline. It literally makes my lashes so voluminous. Like, I'm absolutely loving this one. You need a setting spray, so why not the MAC Fix Plus? And this is the travel size bottle because I'm traveling. I bring the BB cream just to use like if I'm going down to the beach, or if we're just walking around, and not to have like a full face of makeup or a full foundation, just to have something simple. So this is the BB cream I've been liking. It's the Flower Beauty, and I'm in the shade BB1. I've absolutely been loving this BB cream. It does give you pretty much a full coverage when you're just like on the go. To spice things up if you're gonna have nights out, I've been loving my Milani Hypnotic Lights. This is in the shade Too Luminous Light, and it just adds like a little bit of sparkle to your eyelids, even though with this Tarteist Pro To Go palette it has some shimmery shades, which I have been definitely using, and I have on my look, this look right now. I always use my NYX Full Coverage Concealer to, you know, set the eyelids, that way I can put on my eye makeup and it just lasts all day, which I've been loving. This is definitely a necessity. I'm going to show you my makeup products and not all my brushes. So the foundation that I brought with me is my Revlon Color Stay. This one's normal to dry. If you've seen my other videos, I've been loving the one for oily skin, just because I do have oily skin. But I bought the normal to dry, and it's still been working perfectly, and I've been loving it. So I'm in the shade 220 of my Revlon Color Stay, and it really does keep me matte, cover up everything. It's definitely perfect. So the combinations of the eyebrow pencils I've been using, I have one skinny and then one like definer. The skinny one is my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette, and I really just like this one because it has a fine tip and you can just really carve out your brows. And whereas this one is the Brow Definer in the shade Top Tom, it is the more like thick one, that way you can like actually like pencil them in versus using a very thin one and wasting the whole product to draw on your eyebrows. So I've been loving those too. I did get some things in my Ipsy bag a while back, and I've been using them as my bronzer and highlight. You can definitely see the contour right there. It's perfect. The Bahama Mama bronzer. These are both from the Balm, and it's like literally so small, but if you just rub your brush in it, it's like perfect. And then I have the Mary Lou Manizer, my highlighter. So I just like to bring them because I don't want to overload and pack like all my makeup, because you have to have more room for the outfits. So that's why I like to bring as much compact stuff as possible. That's definitely the key to traveling. I cannot go anywhere without my One Heck of a Blot face primer. This literally does keep me matte, and it defines my, it covers in and fills in all my pores. This is literally the most perfect primer ever. Like, because I'm a shiny girl and it's hot out here in Jamaica and it definitely keeps me matte. So seriously, this is my ride or die. And then I have, for my blush, I've been using the Estee Lauder. I've probably had this for a while, but I just like how compact it is. And if you pull it up, it's like a little mirror in here. But this is in the shade Fresh Plum, and it's just like the perfect blush. It's not too pink, not too rosy. It's just very perfect. And then my concealer I brought is the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Light Ivory. This is really a perfect like drugstore concealer, and it's also kind of skinny, so it's easy to just put under the eyes and get going. Alright, so what I use to make my wings in my more like liquid felt tip liner is the Ciate Fierce Flicks, which is a felt tip, and I brought it on here just because I knew I was going to be wanting to make wings and, you know, just be fierce. So I've really liked this eyeliner. I've been using it, but on some days where I just want to be like more natural. There's brother making an appearance. You see him over there? Anyways. So on days you just want to go like quick, have some eyeliner. Maybelline Define-A-Line in soft black is perfect. You know, brother making an appearance and all.
Hello. Follow me on Instagram at Dylan Wade. I had to plug
it. Sorry for that interruption, but I can't cut that out because he's just too cute, and literally I'm in a hotel. There's a hotel room behind me. Last but not least is what I have on my lips right now, which is my Dose Luscious Lip Stain in the shade Holiday Getaway 619. This is like the perfect matte lip stain. I'm absolutely loving it right now. And it's like I'm wearing like a floral, not dress, but like romper with like the flowy backside. And this is like a peachy, so it's more like tropical, and it's definitely perfect right now. And then the rest that is in here is, it's called eyelash curler, which is a must because you need your lashes to be voluminous. And then all my brushes. So I have so many brushes. I have my face brush, my foundation brush, my bronzer brush, highlighter, blush brush, and then my makeup brushes. But that's everything that I have in my travel makeup bag, and I just want to show you a view before I end my video. So this is the view and where I was filming. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press that cute little pink subscribe button over there, and definitely follow me on Instagram at MadelineFaith0219. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something pretty extravagant. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is, but I want to bring y'all along.